The items that we are going to need for the macaroni and cheese are 2 cups of whole milk, 1.5 cups of uncooked elbow pasta, 1.25 cup of panko bread crumbs, 1.25 cup of quesadilla cheese, yellow cheese, 1.5 cups of cheddar cheese, 1/4 cup of diced jalapenos, pickled jalapenos, a pinch of salt, a tablespoon of flour, some pepper, 6 ounces of cooked bacon, very crispy bacon, and we need some butter and a little bit of the fat from the bacon to fry the flour. We're also going to need a baking dish. Whatever you have is fine. It just has to be oven safe. And I already have the water on top of the stove ready for the pasta. So I'm going to show you that, and then we'll assemble the macaroni. The water's already boiling, and I'm going to take about 2 tablespoons of kosher salt, and we are going to salt the water, okay? And then I'm going to drop in my pasta and cook it according to the package direction, 12 to 15 minutes for the elbows, okay? So I'll be back as soon as this is. I'm going to drain the pasta. I left it on the stove for 13 minutes after it came to a boil. Okay, I'm just going to leave it in the strainer till we work on the sauce. So I'm going to move y'all back onto the Now we're going to get the sauce ready, the cheese sauce. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a tablespoon of bacon grease from the one that we fried earlier, okay? And I'm also going to add a tablespoon of flour. And we're just going to fry that up a little bit to get the flour taste out of it. We have the flour fried out a little bit. You don't want to put color in it. You just want to fry out the flour taste, okay? This is just a thickening agent. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add the 2 cups of milk. Okay, now that we have this to temperature, I just want to simmer. I don't want it to boil. We're going to start adding our cheese. And as you can see, I switched over to a whisk. Okay, put in your cheeses. I like to break this up and then put in the other one. And I also forgot to mention that we are going to add 4 ounces of Velveeta cheese as well. Okay, put this one. The quesadilla cheese. That makes it so creamy. Keep your fire on low. Sometimes I have to add a little bit more milk. And now our Velveeta cheese. And we're going to let that melt. And we're also going to put in our jalapenos. Okay, everything is melted. I'm going to put in the pasta. Okay, we're going to drop in the pasta. And the bacon. Pour in our macaroni into our oven safe pan. I'm going to put the pepper on. Now we're just going to sprinkle this with the breadcrumbs on top. I like to go kind of thick on this because I love the crunchiness and the creaminess together after it's done. Now we're going to take our butter and then just dock it everywhere. Okay, and that's it. It's going to go into a 375-degree oven. It's going to look just like this. 40 minutes, okay? So I will be back as soon as it's out of the oven.
Okay guys, this is the macaroni after it came out of the oven. It's real creamy and rich, and I really think y'all will enjoy it. So if you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up, and we'll talk to y'all later. Bye.